Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark Richmond from Chefknivestogo, and today I'm going to do another sharpening. This one is for a friend of mine. His name's Bob, and he's a member of our forum, and so the pressure is on. He chose a really nice knife. It's the Anryu Blue No. 2 hammered Gyuto, and these knives are pretty easy to sharpen. They come fairly sharp, but you can usually improve the edge and clean them up. Today I'm going to use a couple new stones. I think I'm going to try out this Suehiro Debado. This is a 1K stone. It's splash and go, and we'll use that as our base stone. And then I'm going to try a natural stone for him. This is the Okudo, and this one's probably in the 6 to 8K range. I'm not sure until I try it. I'm going to use this little Nagura too, just to clean it up. I'm going to stay away from those kanji stamps that are on there because they wear away quickly, and a customer probably wouldn't like that. So let's get it on here. I want to give a pitch to my forum. We have a knife forum that has a sharpening section, and the guys on there are real nice, real cool. They help new sharpeners out all the time. So if you're just learning to sharpen and you're perusing videos on how to do it, it's a great idea to come over and say hello and ask your questions on our forum, and we'll help you out getting you started on sharpening a knife. Okay, so we got our 1K here all flattened and ready to go. You'll notice I just changed the way I sharpen, the angle that I basically go at the stone with. I'm doing that so I can get the heel of the knife sharpened here. If you sharpen like this, the tendency is to miss the back side of or the heel of the knife. So I just move, I rotate as I sharpen to get that heel, and then I turn it this way to get the front of the knife and the middle of the knife. I lift up just a little bit when I am working on the tip, and I just sharpen until I get a burr, which I'll check for in a second. And since this knife was already pretty sharp, I'm getting a burr all along there. So I'm going to flip over. For those of you guys that like to sharpen this way, put your thumb here, like this. Same concept. You're just using one hand for both sides of the edge. Feels weird for me because I'm used to doing it the other way. But there's no right or wrong way as long as you can get results. So anyways, I'll finish this up. I'm going to deburr the knife with my block here. This is what it looks like when it's new. This is after I've used it for a while. Couple real nice, easy strokes just to clean up anything left. And then we will move on to our natural. So this natural stone is crooked on the back. It's pretty common. It's not a synthetic stone that's made in a mold. It's cut out of the side of a mountain. And so this is pretty common. What I'm going to do here is to even it out a little bit. I'll just take a rag on my holder. See if that will work. Usually does. Natural stones almost never require soak. Matter of fact, it can usually mess them up. So just put some water on them, get a little mud going, and have at it. You probably can't hear anything on the stone because this natural stone is real fine, it's real hard, and very smooth when you run it over the stone. That Nagura helps get some mud started so that the stone will actually cut the steel. But you want to take this kitchen knife over the stone lightly. Use about half the pressure that I do on the last stone. And really what we're doing is just putting a little final improvement to the edge by doing it just like that. Okay. You can never feel a burr when it's with a real high grit finisher like this. It's not removing very much metal at all. Okay, so that's all done. I'm just going to give it a couple strokes on plain leather. Nothing on it. And then Bob will be getting his new knife. Okay, hope you like it, Bob. Talk to you later. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay sharp.